BimlFlex data type mappings. The data type mappings feature in BimlFlex allows the expansion of data types used in the source system into more accommodating data types in the data warehouse. The import metadata function reads the data types from the source and saves them in the columns sheet. By filtering the columns list to the address source table, it's easier to review the process for applying the mappings. In columns D to H, we see the data type from the source metadata import. In column V, we can see that no data type mappings have been applied. The rules for the data type mappings are defined in the data type mappings sheet in Excel. This includes a set of default mappings that expand strings to slightly longer versions and number types to larger versions. Should there be a need to customize the rules, update the mappings here, and they will be applied across the metadata customer. To apply the mappings, click the Data Type Mappings button in the ribbon and shows the record source to apply the mappings to in the dialog. The record source is defined in the connections sheet. The mappings will be applied to all columns defined in that record source. Click Apply to apply. The successful application is indicated by the Success dialog and the addition of the mapped data types in the Data Type Mappings columns in the columns sheet. The original data types and the mapped ones can be compared in Excel. Once the metadata has been refreshed in Biml Studio, we can also compare a newly generated create table script to the left with the original one to the right. The staging table definition now uses the expanded data types instead of the source ones. This concludes the video on applying data type mappings.